Crazy Metal is producing metal panels and accessories for kinetic facade projects in China, Saudi Arabia, the United States, Thailand, and France. The Grand Center Point Space is a hotel located in Pattaya, Thailand, which opened in 2013 and is renowned for its unique kinetic facade. This hotel employs dynamic facade technology, allowing the facade to move with the flow of the wind, regardless of the wind's direction or strength. This design creates a constantly changing visual effect. We achieve this by meticulously arranging approximately 130,000 small stainless steel panels, which are fixed with rotating pins, allowing each panel to move independently. The overall effect resembles the movement of wind across the ocean or a large body of water. In our design studio, you will find various kinetic facade design drawings sent by designers from Gensler, Ecom, Stantec, and Hog. From initial concepts to detailed designs, each drawing reflects the designer's expressive capabilities regarding kinetic facades. We strive to match standardized products while achieving personalized customization for our clients. Kinetic facade designer Ned Kang states that the design coordination capabilities of the production facility provide feasible solutions for clients, ensuring that each project embodies the client's unique vision, as noted by a project manager from Gensler who visited our mold library. We install various molds for producing kinetic facade components, supporting the production of complex kinetic facade systems. These molds not only facilitate mass production but also ensure stable quality and rapid delivery through standardized processes. Crazy Metal's CEO, Ricky, emphasizes the importance of maintaining competitiveness in the market while providing efficient and high-quality service to clients. At the Cloud Ship site in California, USA, and the Baihui Shopping Center site in Guangzhou, workers are busy with installation and adjustment tasks, striving to realize the visions of clients and designers. Our panels are precisely assembled onto tracks, forming larger structures that are installed from the building's interior to the external framework, ensuring overall stability and aesthetic appeal. In previous projects, we have successfully delivered multiple kinetic facade projects, receiving high praise from clients, design firms, project companies, and operating companies for our design and construction quality. Notable projects include One Ocean in South Korea, Brisbane Domestic Terminal Car Park in Australia, Esplanade Theatres in Singapore, Wind Kinetic Facade Project at Beijing. Crazy Metal operates behind the scenes as a production facility, and we are eager to collaborate with you to create architectural masterpieces, allowing the beauty of metal to shine in your buildings. Please feel free to contact us. We look forward to working with you.